Hello everyone, this is Taransh Tharakashi Mithil and today I am here to introduce a new version of my motto, My Step, Your Initiative. In the previous version of this motto, I support some Wattpad book of my fellow authors and I got good response from authors and surprisingly from new readers who inspired to read Wattpad books. Now I want to leverage this initiative for self-published book and hopefully for trade published book also. But this is not easy. I need to train myself to identify significance. So now I am here to present a TBR file of Indian Trade Published Book 2021. Okay, first of all let me aware about what is TBR. TBR means to be read. In the bookish community, readers are supposed to come up with a TBR pile of books either they plan or they just accidentally come up with a resolution that they will read those books in a particular time period, or they just show a desire that I will read those books once in a life, which I don't support at all. Because what I think that authors who take time, energy, efforts, emotions on a paper, they just want that these authors' work should be recognized, should be get into the mind of the readers, and it will not help author if reader just buy the books and put it aside. So I just want to give suggestion, accept it or not, that please just come up with a planned TBR pile. Either if even this TBR pile is a small one, just a less number of books, but just come up with a limited TBR pile so that you can complete your resolution to read them. So now I am here with a planned TBR pile of Indian trade published books which are supposed to be rich in vocabulary and mature ideology. These books already achieved something in modern Indian literature. Now here my step is to explore significance. Okay, when I talk about significance, then most of the people think about non-fiction book and self-help books. Obviously in these kind of books we can find something practical knowledge which are applicable in our real life. But here I mean to any fiction book with good writing style, relevant message, achievement, and very important, a skill of storytelling art. It took me a week to come up with 8 books which I believe that these books have those kind of significance. And now I will read all these books and come up with book review video in my booktube channel. So your initiative is same to explore significance. Okay, now here I'm not trying to teach anybody, it just internet help to people to crowd social media with a lot of opinion, but published content on social media is not equal to realistic ideology at all. It takes time and energy to understand what kind of ideology actually work in real life and what kind of ideology is just fit to your fantasy world. And this realistic approach you can find only among those people who go through the tough experience and not just rough feelings, and not, and if you are not able to connect with these kind of people, then at least you can able to connect with their art. So that's why I am coming up with the book review, so that at least you can get some idea, some significance from these personalities. So what can you expect from this version of motto? You will get a complete like detailed book review of like in which have factual description of the book and the summary of the book, and you will also get the idea like what I like and what I don't like about the book, and any confliction, like if I read something which I find something contradictory to my ideology, then definitely I would like to share that in my review video also. And a promise that I will read all these books within 2021. A subtle book cover review will also be there because I am also practicing as a graphic designer, so not in too professional way, but whatever I am learning so far, so according to that I will come up with book cover review also. Now what you can't expect from this version of motto. About author, I don't think so I'll be able to tell about the author, like author history at all. Consistency will not be there because I can't be like I just read out the books and then come up with a review video at once. It will take lot of time. No star rating will be there. I will not provide any star rating to any these books in my review video. But if you want to know like how many stars I've given, you may visit to my Goodreads account and just get an idea like what kind of ratings I have given to the books. Now no literary critic will be there because I picked up all these books with an expectation, with a belief that these I am going to learn something from these books. So I don't think so. I am going to caution to these masterpiece and caution to my belief. No spoiler will be there. I promise that when I will review the book, I will not spoil any suspense which just ruin your reading excitement. Now that's it. I am quite excited to read all these books and come up with book review videos. If you want to know what are the book titles which I chose for my TBR list, just wait for some second, you will get to know about it. And keep your eye on the playlist Intros by Isha, where you will get new version of book review video. Till then, keep reading and start magic.